Hi, now you can create images and video with Kukarella. Maybe you tried it, but I want to show you new features which we recently added. When you create a dialogue or voiceover right from the home page or from our application using Assistant, you can click on one of these options: create image, create video. Image will be created within 15-20 seconds. Video will take longer, and they will match your text. So our AI creates text for the topic which you selected, you see, and then we analyze this text and request image generation. So you see our image generation is in progress, and in a few seconds it should be done. Once that is done, I will show you how you can create images for the project in a different way so that you have more control. This is done for you by our assistant. It's done automatically. You don't need to take any steps. So usually it's good. It analyzes text and creates images to support that text. But what if you want to create different image or video clip, sorry. Then you go to this page, you click on create visuals, and if you have text in your project, you will see this option, ideas. You can choose any idea from this list and click create image. You can select aspect ratio, and yeah, it will do it for you. In this case, it's custom. You can use these ideas as a starting point, but you can modify it. You can enter your own prompt. It could be request not related to a text. Maybe you need image for something else. Just enter what you need, describe it with as many details as you can, and it will do it for you. Clip. This is a new thing. Here we can create a short video clip for you. If you choose a prompt and click create clip, it will start generation. It's time-consuming process, so I won't do it for you. I will just show you how it looks. It takes about 8 minutes to create 6-second clip. I can show you a few examples. Okay, so this one. So this is our video clip. We had an image, we clicked animate, and so you can create video from this image button, and it will do it for you. Like this. You can animate pretty much any image. Or and if you create that video from image, you can switch between them. You see, there's a toggle button. Again, you can do that from inside the project, and in that case you will get suggestions. You can enter your own prompt. You can create visuals, video, and or image using KUKA.Genie, our AI assistant, from inside each app, from dialogues or from text-to-voice converter. Same from the home page. Just select topic for your content, upload reference files if you want, so you can upload file, and AI will create dialogue based on that reference file using your prompt as a request, as a recommendation about how many participants should be in dialogue, what should be tonality of the dialogue, funny, educational, and so on. So you do that, then click create image, and you're good to go. Hope this will help you to create more engaging content. And if you have any suggestions, any recommendations, any feedback, or if you run into any issues or notice bugs, please let us know. If you're trying to do something with Kukarella and you notice that it's not working as you expected it to work, it's not your fault, it's our fault. So let us know, and we'll do our best to fix it and make it as user-friendly as we can. Have a great day. Bye.